Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody just posted this picture on Facebook today, and they've already figured it out. Somebody's already told them to use the envelope top tool. But I thought and I have a video on this, but I couldn't really find it, so I thought I'd just do on this particular poster board. Because there's a couple things you need to think about when you do the envelope tool. Let's zoom in here and grab the envelope tool, which is underneath your drop shadow flyout. And you want to pick single arc mode when you click on this, and click it again, I guess, and then grab that center, and what it's going to do, it's going to raise it up equally from the corners. And we'll just do a little test here. Let's see straight line, and see it gives you a straight line. And then there's a double arc mode, but a double arc, you have your handles are way off. So if you use the single arc mode, when you raise this up, it'll do that. Now there's also unconstrained mode, which is right here, and it's a freeform envelope tool. Allows you to make changes to nodes and everything, so you can change it without moving the other nodes. Well, we're going to do that, and then we're going to do this one. And we're going to pick single arc, and we're going to raise it up to about that same curvature. Of course, you'd have to play around with that a little bit, make your text the same if you wanted it equal. And because it's a shorter word, it's going to raise quicker. Anyway, that's the envelope tool. So when you pick on your envelope tool, this flyout will pop up. So single arc mode is what's going to give you just a single arc from the center, moving all the nodes from the end, kind of conforming it. Anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.